Well, I have procrastinated long enough, I think. This white shit is here to stay. Years past, it came and went, and it kind of reminded you, hey, you got to get stuff ready for winter, but it's not going to leave, I guess. So I got to move some stuff here in the shed. So I figured I'd turn this thing on and see what will start and what won't. We'll see. This one has a switch plug. I do this quite often. Tell that it's wintertime with that thing running. Boy, that runs good. Anyway, got the forklift mast on there because we got to move the 180, and unfortunately it is less than what it was when I brought it home. I brought parts off of it. So it goes. Anyway, I got to move it back there, but it's got to go out and around. So, well, so it goes.